SOA Exam P practice question number 59. A warranty plan covers a random repair cost X subject to a deductible of C, where C is between 0 and 2. The repair cost is modeled as a continuous random variable with density function f of x equals 0.5x for x between 0 and 2. Given a random repair cost x, the probability that the warranty payment is less than 0.8 is equal to 0.36. Calculate the value of C. Let's take a look at the solution. We have the probability that the warranty payment is less than 0.8. The density function given in the question is about the repair cost, so we will transform this probability statement in terms of the repair cost. Due to the deductible C, warranty payment less than 0.8 is equal to the event that the repair cost is less than 0.8 plus C. To get the probability, we perform integration. Take the integral from x equals 0 to x equals 0.8 plus C, and then the integrand is the PDF of x, which is 0.5x, and then dx. Perform the integration, we get 0.25 times the square of 0.8 plus C. This is the probability that the warranty payment is less than 0.8. The numerical value is 0.36. Equate these two together and then solve for the value of C. We get C equals 0.4 or C equals -2, but C is between 0 and 2. So we get the answer as C equals 0.4.